Well, hello. My name is Daddy-O, and I am going to try to cram as much information into this video as I can. I have not done a video like this in a while. If you're new to Ubering, you may want to hang on to the end of this video. A lot of the comments that I get, and I'm getting some comments here lately for a while, are because I can tell sometimes people are not watching to the end of the video. So hang on to the end of this video because I might answer some of the questions that you may have before you have to ask me about. But if you have questions, ask in the comments. Now, like I said, this is going to be an all-inclusive. I'm going to put as much information as I can into this one here. I do an Uber rental. If you've ever seen any of my videos before, you know that. There are a lot of new people here that have not got a lot of this information. I'm going to go through the entire process. I'm going to give you the system, the game that I play. I'm going to try to put as much as I can into this video as fast as I can. So hang on. Here we go. I do an Uber rental, like I say, and the reason I do that is because it gives me a lot of peace of mind. And I'm going to read a comment here in a second that's going to kind of enforce what I'm going to talk about. Let's go ahead and do the comment, all right? This here, and I'm going to give the person's name. I don't normally do that. This here is from Martin Davis 1205, and it was on a video I did yesterday, in fact. And here we go. You've convinced me to give it a try last week. I went to Avis and rented a Kia Niro electric. I can firmly say there is no turning back for me. I am making so much more money and I am stress-free. I'm going to go across some of that stress-free stuff here in a second. Thank you for your platform. Keep those videos coming, all right? Thank you for the comment, first of all. So if you got questions or if you're doing it and it's working for you, comment. Let us know what you're doing. You know, what are you renting? What are you doing? I'm in the Mach-E now. It's my new rental, my new storefront. That's the way I approach my business. I've talked about that in other videos before, but here's the reason I rent. I rent because I get unlimited miles. All right, that's a great thing for you guys out there. I've already told you in 2 weeks, I put 3,000 miles on my newer storefront. I put 3,000 miles on it. If you're out there doing in your personal vehicle, you're going to rack up some mileage. Believe me. Insurance is included. Now, the insurance that is included when you rent, and I go through Avis, let's go ahead and say that. The insurance that is included is insurance while you're doing Uber, when you're signed on to the app. When you're signed off the app, your insurance on your personal vehicle that's sitting at the house is covering you while you're driving that rental vehicle. So you can still use the rental vehicle to do other things with. Just understand that during that period of time, your insurance on your personal vehicle is covering you. Now, I also got a question like this yesterday. I did comment back to him late last night. What if you don't own a car? You can still get into Uber Marketplace, even if you don't own a car, and rent a vehicle to do Uber in. Let's go ahead and let you know about that. Uber Marketplace, you can search it. It's also in your app if you're already an Uber driver. So, okay, insurance is included. So we've nailed that one down. Roadside assistance. If you break down, they're coming to get you. They're not going to leave their vehicle sitting on the side of the road. I had a comment way back when someone commented that the vehicle didn't get towed for hours and hours or a day or something like that. No, they're not going to let their vehicle sit on the side of the road. Avis is coming to get that vehicle if it breaks down. All you got to do is just give them a call. They're going to slide you into something else if that vehicle cannot be repaired right away. They're going to put you in something else because they want you to continue to pay your weekly or daily fees. You can do it daily. You can do it a half a day. You can do a rental by the hour while your vehicle's in the shop being repaired. There's all kind of ways to use this system, this joint effort that Uber has gone into with the rental agencies. All right, maintenance is included. Now, the maintenance that I had, I've been using gas vehicles up until here 3 weeks now. I guess it is coming up on 3 weeks. I was using a gas vehicle, so I always did the oil changes. They did them for me. The tires were always replaced when they got worn down. They rotate every time you come in. Roadside, in other words, roadside. If you're using not electric, either way, you're covered. You're going to get your maintenance is included. Okay, that's some of the great benefits there with doing the rental thing. I pay a certain fee. I was paying $305. I'm now paying $380, but I've been moved up to a higher class vehicle also. So when you go into rent, you always want to ask this question. Can I get a comfort ride? I need a comfort vehicle. Try your hardest and let them know. If you can't get in the comfort right away, tell them you want one. Call them weekly. See if they got a comfort available that you can swap into. Comfort, you will make a few more dollars on your runs. You'll also qualify for business comfort, which again pays you even more dollars. When you get comfort rides and business comfort rides, those people are normally going to tip you a little bit better. I've told you how to play that, and I'm going to get into that in just a second here, okay? But yeah, you want to get a comfort vehicle. If they can get you in a comfort vehicle, you will make more money. And the reason we're out here is to make more money, okay? Don't waste your time, okay? Now, let's get into the little systems that we're going to play, okay? The comment that I got from the gentleman here, Martin, the comment I got from him just reinforces that you're going to make more money when you get a rental vehicle, because why are you going to do more runs? You're more apt. My acceptance rate, I told you in a video yesterday, day before, my acceptance rate has already gone up, and I don't worry about my acceptance rate. The issue is I'm accepting more runs because I'm driving a newer vehicle. All right. The Hyundai Tucson I was in was a good vehicle. It worked. It was getting worn down. It got up in the mileage. Ava says, hey, we got to have that one back. We're going to put you in something else. This is what they've put me into now, and I'm going to drive this till they say, hey, bring it back. The mileage is too high, or until it has an issue. I'm driving this vehicle. I do like it, all right? Electric is not that bad, all right? It's a workaround, all right? It's a workaround. So, okay, let's get into the system now that you want to play. Once you get you a rental vehicle, and now you're wanting to make even more money, I'm going to go into the little system that I play real quick, okay, for you guys. It's simple to do. There's things you take care of when you get your new storefront. I've told you before, treat your Uber as your business, all right? Work it as a business. You're in business now. You've always wanted a business in life. You wanted to start something somewhere. Uber can be that thing for you when you're doing a rental, all right? Turn it into a new business for yourself. All right. Things that you want to pay attention to, and some of you guys have heard me talk about this before because they are so freaking big. All right. These are biggies that you need to do if you're wanting to make the extras and the 5-star. All right. I'm going to tell you how I proved it yesterday, I think, the video yesterday, day before. I'm a 5-star, got 11,000 some odd runs for Uber. I've been doing this a while. I've learned games to play to make more money. And because I've done high-end stuff before, here's the game. All right, here's the system. You've heard me refer to this before, and a lot of it, play the game, work the system. It's very simple. It is so simple. When you get your personal car, you can do this in either one, okay? So whatever you got, this is how you work the system. Keep it freaking clean, all right? Keep your vehicle clean. The smell is one of the biggies, guys, because I've said this before in videos. When people get in your car, the first thing that's going to smack them between the eyes is the smell that's coming out of your car. It's going to tell them what kind of car you got, and it's going to tell them what kind of person you are. Because you keep it clean, they think, oh, this is nice, you know. Keep your car clean, keep it smelling good. Now, controversially is the music. I play an even keel, relaxing music in my vehicle. I don't play rap, I don't play rock while I have people in the car. So the music, all right? Pay attention to your music. I play jazz, I've said it before. There are other videos on here that'll go in more details about what I'm talking about. I said I was trying to do this fast for you and lay it all out there for you. We've gone through why to do the rental, what you're getting for the rental, and we've gone through now the system. And the other one that is so important that a lot of people have a hard time with is talking to your people. When they get in the car, greet them right away. Hey guys, how you doing today? Get it out. You know, go ahead and break that ice. Let them know that you're not afraid to talk to them, because so many people are hesitant. I've picked up thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of people in my life. And they're very hesitant when they first get in your vehicle, all right? Go ahead and break the ice. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Florida. We brought this sunshine in just for you guys today, this tropical weather. You just start talking. All right. When you can do that, you have broken the ice with the people. They see that you're friendly and that you're not one of those drivers that's just going to drive away with them and not say a whole. That's what a lot of people get when they get in Ubers. I hear it from people. Not only do I get comments in the comment section, I get comments out of my back seat. All right. So talk to your people. Don't be afraid of it. All right. That's the system. And I've said how simple it is. With a rental car, you're always going to be clean. You got a brand new car. That's so impressive when you pull up. People are impressed by what you drive. When you pull up, they're going, ooh, wow, okay, electric or whatever, something nice. That's why I do the rental. All right. It gives me something nice all the time. You take care of the smell. You take care of the clean. You take care of the music, and you're talking to your people. You have worked the system. That is the system in a nutshell. It's that simple. All right. I've said it. Subscribe, ring the bell, do the thumbs up, do all that kind of stuff. Come back. I'll have something else later maybe. Daddy-o out for the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye.